Hey guys, it's Alicia, aka the world's greatest prankster, and I'm here today to get Corey back. For what, you ask? Everything. Today I'm going to prank Corey with some Johnson & Johnson baby powder and put that in his freaking blow dryer. Oh god. God. I feel like I'm eating chalk right now. Ugh. Shut the front door. Everything that all of the powder that I just put into this blow dryer fell straight out of the other freaking end. Okay guys, I'm gonna go watch another video and get back to y'all in a little bit. Figured out what I was doing wrong. So I'm gonna start over. I just need to hold it kind of sideways. Gosh, dang it. Maybe it's just me and I'm just bad at life. Okay, here we go. Now it's going in smooth. Alright guys, it's all set up and ready to go. It's right back sitting exactly how it was before I picked it up. Everything's clean. So now we just wait.
Is that baby powder?
It's flour.
I'm allergic.
What?
I'm
No, you're
allergic.
not.
Baby, I'm allergic.
You're lying.
I'm allergic.
You're not allergic.
You.
You're on Alicia Cam. Oh yeah, I got you good. I got you real good. What does it taste like?
I can't taste like a smell. It smells burnt.
Corey thinks the prank's over with, but it's not. Because I'm gonna go dump all this flour on his freaking head. All right, ladies, your man gives you attitude. Your man tells you that the house isn't clean. Pour motherfucking flour all over his face and then tell him to clean it up.
Oh my god, Alicia! Are you Alicia?
Dang it, it didn't even get on you. It's on your shoulder.
It did. I have enough on me to make a cake, Alicia.
All right, now clean this
I
up.
gotta go to work.
You're making a mess. All right, guys, today's shout out is going to Katrina Cross, Jocelyn Williams, Andrea Matherson, Danny Calhoun, Alyssa Love, Nicole Panetta, and Alexis McGirvin. Thank you guys for commenting #BFAM. Also, if you want your own shout out, subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment #BFAM whenever you're done doing all of that, and then also turn on your post notifications, post notifications, post notifications, post notifications, post notifications, post